Is your Mazda CX-5 or CX-9 key fob not working? The most common culprit is a dead battery. You'll need a CR2025 3-volt lithium coin cell battery and a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool. First, gently pry open the key fob casing using the screwdriver or pry tool along the seam. Be careful not to scratch the plastic. Once open, you'll see the battery. Note the orientation. The positive plus side usually faces up. Remove the old battery and insert the new CR2025 battery with the positive side facing the same direction. Snap the key fob casing back together firmly. Test the fob by pressing the buttons near your vehicle. If your remote still isn't working after replacing the battery, try cleaning the battery contacts with a dry cloth or isopropyl alcohol. Ensure the battery is correctly oriented. In some cases, you may need to relearn the fob to your car. Try locking and unlocking the doors manually 5 times, then hold the fob button while cycling the ignition. If issues persist, you may have corrosion inside the fob, so check the internals. Looking ahead, Mazda is integrating smartphone-based keys via the My Mazda app. While physical fobs are still standard, expect a shift toward digital keys in the future. Physical fobs will be phased out in favor of app-based or biometric keys due to cybersecurity improvements. So consider trying Mazda's My Mazda app.